So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download motherboard driver. So first guys, you have to come on gigabyte.com. You can see www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website. Okay, then you can see here search button. So click to search button and then type your model number of your motherboard, Z890 Eagle WIFI7, then hit enter. Then click to product. Click to title of motherboard name. Then click to support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11. Okay, if you have a Windows 11 and 10, so you can watch this video and install one by one. LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver and click to download. Just start downloading. So it is done. Just single click to open. Double click to exe. Then guys click to yes. Then guys yes. So guys it is automatically closed, so it can be installed. Okay.